Hello class, today we want to see how we can correct this center back. So from the tip of the waist you measure about 3 inches downwards, then you rule a diagonal line to the side of the waist. You rule in that direction. Then the next thing you're going to do, you're going to cut through. You're not cutting out, you cut through. Then you place it back and you measure from the opening, you measure down about ½ inch. Then you flip the cutout just as is shown on that mark where you marked. So I'm going to tape it down now in order for us to see what it looks like. Of course, it's not going to give you a straight skirt. This has to do with the center back. So you reshape the waist, you reshaped the darts on your pattern. Of course, it's going to be more narrower, which is what we intend to do. So our waist will be well fitted. Now, when you have it done in this direction, all you need to do is to trace out. So pin down your skirt block. You can see I'm working on the center back, not the center front. Pin it down and trace out. Of course, the center back is shortened, as in the center back where the zipper or usually is shortened. So just trace back just the way I have done mine. Trace back, then after which you've done that, remark your darts, the waist darts, so you can have the right dart to work on. I'm transferring my dart back to the new pattern now so I can reshape everything. So I'm going to reshape by ruling all the lines. So if you can see that it's looking same, but it's not same because I've adjusted, taking out the excess from the center back. So I'm reshaping the waist dart so we can have a good fit. So for the side, the hip, everything still remains same except where I adjusted so that it can sit properly on the waist. There won't be any sag. So I'm going to measure out my zipper allowance, which is about 1 inch, and also my slit allowance. My slit allowance, the width is about 2 inches by 18 centimeter. If you want, you can make it deeper, depends the kind of skirt you're working on. I'm working on a short skirt, so the width of my zipper is 1 inch, and the width of my pleat is 2 inches. So you should know the difference, and the length of my slit is about 18 centimeter. So I'm done. It's very simple. Thanks for watching. Thank you.